Yeah, well, Cosby, man, I don't know if people know, like, I know he's Mr. Dad and everything, but Cosby's a fucking pervert, man.
You know that too.
Like, seriously. So we're shooting in this house, and we go upstairs and, like, sit in this bedroom with me, him, and the director, and we're talking about everything except the script. And then at some point, he just turns to me, he's like, so how you enjoying show business? I'm like, it's fine, I guess, you know? He's like, well, when the movie comes out, you're going to have to get 2 dicks because the women are going to be all over you.
Where'd that come from?
Dicks?
He knows.
He does know. Man's been around a long time.
Oh, I don't want to hear that.
I want to hear that shit.
Crazy. I forgot about that.
Yeah. I thought that was good to bring.
And that's the guy who, now there he was funny. You know, like if Cosby said that, that's a funny line.
Yeah.
But the stuff he puts on stage isn't always that funny.
To all the girls I've drugged before,
16 and counting.
who stumbled in and out my door,
Please let me out.
I'm glad they came along.
We're not.
No one heard the moan.
Call the
To
cops.
all the girls I've drugged before,
What a creep.
to all the girls who drank for me.
Well, we do know that he is innocent until proven guilty.
And